What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create this rippling and waving flag animation like this by only this picture, guys, or we can transform this picture to become this waving and rippling flag animation. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here and that can help you out is the Meta AI. So you can start to use it, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email or the Facebook account. And here in this Meta AI, not only creating the animation, but you can also create the animation from the prompt, or you can also generate the picture and add something in general. And if you scroll down, you'll find a lot of video or the animation that had been made by another user, guys. So you can start to attach the picture from the gallery, and for example I will choose this one, and after that you can put the simple prompt like this: animate this picture, the flag of Uganda for example, vigorously waving and rippling in a strong wind, and also showing realistic fabric, physics, and motion. And also the flag should be centered in frame against the clear sky background with a bright and dramatic lighting. And you can click send and kindly wait for the result. And basically this is the same prompt that I used before to transform this picture to become this animation, guys. And here, usually this Meta AI will give you 5-second duration or 5 seconds duration of this animation, guys. And after that, if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. And you can also change the style by clicking this option, like make this look to be the, like, let's say the space cadet or the fedora, which one you prefer. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Meta AI to create your own animation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.